Welcome to Baking with Bean. Today I'm going to make blueberry pancakes. What you're going to do first, separate 2 eggs, put yolks in one bowl and whites in another. I'm going to add the yolks to the milk. Then I'm adding melted butter into the mixture. Whoa, that's cool. I'm going to whisk to combine. Now in another bowl, I'm going to combine flour and salt, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. Mix it up. Mix. Then what you're going to do is use an electric hand mixer to whisk your egg whites into soft peaks. Yeah. Isn't it so fluffy? I'm going to mix my dry ingredients with my egg yolk ingredients. It's okay to ask for help sometimes. Now we're going to fold our egg white mixture into our other batter. Now we're going to heat our skillet, and you always need a grown-up to help you with this stuff. We're going to make a blueberry compote. It has blueberries, sugar, water, and lemon juice. We're going to put it on the stove and let it boil while we make our pancakes. We're going to start making pancakes now. Wait until all the pancake has bubbles. And then, when it's ready, you flip it. It looks so good! Whoa.
One pancake.
Perfect! And there you have it. Pancakes with blueberry compote. Thanks for watching.